So you're dieting. The things you can eat list seems to keep getting shorter, and you're in the mood for a sandwich but have no time. And oh yeah, you also can't eat bread. Well, today we're gonna try and fix that in under 2 minutes with ingredients you probably already have on hand. So let's just jump right into this quick, low-carb, microwave bread recipe. All you need for this one is a couple ingredients, something to put them in, and a microwave. You'll start with a container that's in the shape of the size bread you're going for. Today I'm using this smaller round dish, but think outside the box here. Add into it 1.5 tablespoons of melted butter and 1 large whole egg. Mix those together. Once those are mixed, add in 3 tablespoons of almond flour, half a teaspoon of garlic seasoning to give the bread some flavor, or if you don't like garlic, add in another seasoning, some chili powder, herbs, ground cinnamon, and so on. Get creative and let me know what you try below. Finish with half a teaspoon of baking powder. Mix those together until smooth, top it with whatever you want, and throw it in the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes, depending on how powerful your microwave is. You can also add some more protein to this recipe by mixing in half a scoop of an unflavored protein powder and 1 large egg white. Now that your bread is done, it should pop right out of your dish, and from here you can use it as is or chop it in half like this to make 2 slices. Cue the music. Super easy, right? I know microwave bread doesn't sound like the most appetizing thing in the world, but I assure you this is actually good and not dry at all, as long as you use the same ingredients that I did. You could try using another flour, but in my experience, almond flour, without question, works best here. With that said, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check out Better Cravings below, subscribe and turn on notifications if you haven't already. Smack that thumbs up button if you like this video, drop me a comment or question to help with the channel engagement, and of course, stay healthy.